Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stake Solana in Phantom Wallet. But before anything else, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now, this video is for informational plus educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. Now, first you want to make sure you actually have Sol in your Phantom wallet. If you don't, you can purchase Sol directly through the app using your preferred payment method. Simply click buy right over here, or you can tap receive, copy your wallet address, or scan the QR code and send Solana from an exchange or another wallet. But once your Solana is in your wallet, you want to go back to this main screen and tap on Solana. From here, go and scroll all the way down until you find this start earning. So tap on start earning. And then on this page, you want to enter the amount of Solana you want to stake. A lot of people just hit max right over here, but it's smart to leave a small amount unstaked to cover future network fees, especially if you plan to unstake later. And after entering your amount, just want to have to tap next at the bottom and review the details carefully. You'll see the estimated APY, the provider and fees involved, and the network fee for the transaction. But if everything looks good, simply tap stake to confirm. After moments, your Solana will be staked and you'll see your stake balance reflected on the home screen. And if you ever want to unstake, just tap on stake Sol, go to the options menu, and simply choose unstake from there. And that's it. Staking Solana in Phantom Wallet is simple once you know where to go. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!